Hello my guys and welcome to another episode. In this episode I have new LEDs for the Honda Accord. This is gonna be turn signals. I went and picked up this one 7440 from the company Hsunlamp and link is gonna be in the description. For my Accord I need 7440s because it's only one filament. It doesn't run turn signals and running lights at the same time. It's only turn signals. So get the right one. 7443 is gonna be running light and turn signal. If you pick those and you try to put them on the front on any other vehicle, you're gonna need the 7443 because some vehicles run running lights and turn signals. In this case, for the rear, you only use 7440, which is this one. Now I'm gonna put the turn signal so you can see the stack versus a cheap LED that I have on this side. That one is just a regular bulb 7440 and that's 7440 amber LED. But that LED is not bright, as you can see. It looks kind of yellow. It looks pretty much as this one, same type of color. So those are cheap LEDs, as you can see. And probably some of you don't know, but a long time ago I opened those lights to remove the little piece of plastic that it was inside, because these lights they just run a stack clear bulbs, but because I removed the little orange part from the inside, I can put any color I want. I used to run white on the turn signals, but then I switched to amber. You can see that's a little amber LED, but it looks yellow, not really amber. And that's just halogen bulb. I need to replace them because these ones, which is the cheap LEDs that I get before, this is what happens when you get cheap LEDs. So this is as cheap as it gets. Not really convenient, and if you can see the color, not really bright, and it looks yellow, not orange. If you want to replace the lights on the turn signal, let's say on your Accord, probably you're gonna need resistors. I'm gonna link the resistors and the lights too, so you can see this is plug and play. You put the light in here and you connect this to the stack connector, and that's all you need. Because if you don't use resistors, you're gonna have hyper flash. I'm gonna get my son to do the installation. You just have to remove the little carpet, remove the bulb, and connect the new one. Really easy. I did this a million times before. I don't need to show you that part, but he's gonna get that done so I can show you the difference between the good LED and cheap one. And if you can see right there, in this one I have another type of resistor. This is not a plug and play, but I don't have to remove it because I did this a long time ago, so those are still working fine. You can see the difference. That's the new LED and that's the cheap LED. That one looks bright orange. It looks really good. Installation is done. Okay guys, you can see the difference between the regular cheap and now these new LEDs. Link is gonna be in the description. Plus I'm gonna link the resistor, the plug and play resistor, so you can run those without hyper flash. And when you saw only turn signals, there was no hyper flash because I have resistors already in the car. I hope you like this little episode guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.